Do you need to replace the motherboard on your Inspiron 7425 2-in-1? Well, I'm going to show you how. Also, you can click the link on the top right of the screen to find this part or tools or additional help on our website, including step-by-step written tutorials with detailed images. And now let's get into it. First, unscrew the bottom base cover. Then pry apart and remove the bottom base cover. Now disconnect the battery cable. Next, disconnect the speaker cable. Then unscrew and remove the Wi-Fi bracket. Now disconnect the antenna cables and slide out the Wi-Fi card. Now unclip the locking tabs to release the RAM from DIMM slot number 1. Then slide out the RAM. Then unclip the locking tabs to release the RAM from DIMM slot number 2. And slide out the RAM. If you have a 2230 solid-state drive, just unscrew and slide out the assembly. And if you have a 2280 solid-state drive, just unscrew and slide it out. Then unscrew and remove the battery. Now disconnect the cooling fan. Then unscrew and remove the cooling fan. Then unscrew and remove the heatsink. Then unscrew and lift the right LCD hinge. Now unscrew and lift the left LCD hinge. Next, unclip the locking tab and disconnect the LCD cable. Now unclip the locking tab and disconnect the keyboard cables. Then unclip the locking tab and disconnect the touchpad cable. Next, unclip the locking tab and disconnect the input-output board cable. Then unscrew and remove the motherboard. The reassembly of your laptop is as simple as following your steps in reverse. Before replacing your heatsink, it's important to wipe away any old thermal paste from your processors and heatsink. And for maximum cooling, do not touch these heat transfer areas. The oils on your skin can reduce the heat transfer capability of the thermal paste. Then apply a small amount of thermal paste to the processor before replacing your heatsink. If you still need help, you can visit partspeople.com and view printable DIY instructions to help you along the way. We also have playlists of thousands of Dell tutorials for hundreds of different models, so keep checking back. Thanks for watching.